So talk about that. What's the reality check mouse?
Yeah. We all live in our own matrix, right? We've all got our own stories. We've got our own version of the world, but we don't live like that. We think that what we see is how it is.
Yeah.
That's how we live. So that guy's a jerk. She's really sweet. This person doesn't like me, right? That's how we live, but they're just our stories. Maybe some of them are true. Maybe some of them match with the other person's experience, but often they don't. And so once we realize that, and that we need that voice to come in and go, oh, wait a minute, I've got a story here that this person's upset with me, or I might even be in mystery. My boss hasn't given me the last 3 projects; he's given them to Jim. What am I not good enough? Is he just not seeing me? I don't have any idea. This is a reality check mouse. Say, hey, I noticed I've got a story that you don't want to work with me because you've given the last three to Jim, and I just wanted to check, is that true? Is it not? Am I hallucinating? It's a reality check mouse.
Right. Nice.
And then I'll give you one more mouse, confession mouse. Really good. I've got something that I did, not feeling good about it. I wish I hadn't. And I want to share that. When I was 18 years old, I cheated on my first girlfriend. Felt horrendous the next day when I sobered up, and shared a pretty big confession mouse with her. And she broke up with me, as she should. And I had to earn her trust back. I remember, I think I rented or borrowed a tuxedo, got a dozen roses, got on the train for 6 hours up to where she was staying at her parents' house, and begged her. And I earned back her trust, and eventually married that woman.
Wow.
So there's a confession mouse. Now, the stakes might be high with a confession mouse, but we watch movies where people risk all to tell the truth because it's inspiring.
Yeah.
Because that's how we want to live.